Sport mode.
Hi guys, today we're e-biking again, and it's gonna be so much fun. And I found a giant dandelion.
Maybe we can find some more. Oh, there's tons of giant dandelions. See, giant, the size of my hand. And then little ones. Whoa. I forgot. I didn't even strap my helmet. Who can strap their helmet with gloves on? Is anyone like really good at strapping their helmets on with gloves? Because I've never been able to. And I definitely didn't do this right. No, what the heck happened here? Oh, yeah. Here we go.
One eternity later.
Okay. As they patiently wait for me.
Tomorrow.
Let's eat. Where are we going?
I don't know. Right.
Me lead. My little duckling. Slow, bro. Port mode.
Follow him.
Here's the Lawton Police Department. Had to call the police the other night. Took them 20 minutes to show it to our house. Our house is like 2 minutes away. Is there water in there? Over here smells like a grow. Because there is a grow around here. Oh, the window's open on the creamery. Ooh, makes me want to go in there. That window's available. Turn around. And I said, ooh, that window's open. I don't want to go down there. I don't want to go down there. I'll record him from right here. Is that from the giant dandelions? There's giant dandelion. Oh my gosh. There's a lot of them. Tumbleweeds. I couldn't think of the freaking word. Look at all these fluffy tumbleweeds. Y'all see all those fluffy tumbleweeds? Look, it looks like a poodle was itching. Woo! Oh no! Yeah, we've got to figure out some fenders for you. Now you're wet, bro. It looks like it's coming out your butt too, so it's worse. Look, he needs fenders. Yeehaw! Change gears. Huh?
Here, step aside real quick, Melody.
Here, come sit with mommy. Don't touch any of that. Here. Get your foot over. Alright.
Alright. Come on, baby. Come back on.
Yeah, I think I can ride with her a little bit.
Sure?
Maybe. We'll see.
Mello, you safe?
She's already here.
Come on.
I want sport mode.
Oh, look at that. Mama and daughter on the bike. Oh.
I'm such a bad dog, right?
No? Why don't you know where we're going? Sport mode! You wanna put your shield down?
What?
You wanna put your shield down? Ready, set, sport mode!
What's that?
Stop sign. You wanna get it on now? Good job. Who's that guy? Ready, set, sport mode! Ready, set, sport mode! Woo, lean back when we're stopping.
Ready, set, sport mode!
Ready, set, sport mode. Hold on. Uncle wants to hit this speed bump. I gotta record him. Woo! Here he goes. Here he goes. Oh!
We can do a speed bump. After the speed bump, we gotta go sport mode.
Okay, now we'll try the speed bump. Ready? Oh! our helmets bump.
I love sport mode.
Ready, set, sport mode.
Your face.
You should hear her.
Big smile.
I've never been so fast. Is this sport mode?
It's in sport mode. I'm just not pulling the throttle. I'm going slow in sport mode. Is that possible? He's doing the bullseye. The bullseye. You did do it. I saw it. Yeah. Yeah. Here. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Alright, ready, set, sport mode! Tuck in and I tuck in with you. 1, 2, 3, sport mode! We're not even going full speed yet. We've lost them. They're long gone.
Yeah. Slow poke.
Where's the slow bros? We should go back for them.
Oh. I love going back.
We'll just turn into the mall again. Talaria. You okay? You want some water? Good. I like riding with you, actually. Daddy probably likes being able to do his stunts too. Right? You okay? You want to stop and get some water? Sure?
Cause I love going fast.
Alright. You gonna try a speed bump again?
Yeah.
How was it? Too bumpy? Woo! Race has sport mode. I'm still in sport mode, actually. Woo! Oh. Yeah, ready? Hold on. I love how it feels when it takes off, huh? Alright, ready? Set. Feels good to have you on the bike. Can't even tell, except for our helmets bumping.
Sport mode bike.
Sport mode. Sport mode.
It's just like I thought this was like a bike.
You get me on the turns because I'm still learning.
It feels so fun on a Talaria.
Reset. Hold on.
My smile goes big when we go sport mode.
Ready, set, smile. You don't need to go back with Daddy, do you?
I don't want to vlog. I don't even know what to
Need her back on here?
She says she don't even want to vlog. She's good.
Nothing is faster than Talaria.
That's funny because we're in eco mode. Now sport mode, see? Your helmet goes flying into mine.
It feels so good to be back.
Oh! Duck! I think
Stoppie!
it's a goose.
No, Stoppie.
Or maybe if I put my goggles on, it won't bump you anymore.
Yeah. But you have the camera on,
I do have a camera.
so you can't really put your goggles on if you have the camera on your helmet.
I can once we stop at the stoplight because it's red.
Yeah, it's red right now.
Headlights on.
I need to put the goggles on, so I think that's what's bumping her helmet, right?
Probably. That's the closest thing. Let
There's
me turn on my headlights.
There's another bike over there with the cars.
Let's ride.
Oh, I got a flat tire. Oh no! All the slime came out. Let's go.
Uncle got a flat tire.
Oh no!
Yeah.